Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. So let's analyze what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So Nifty yesterday closed at 11,860 and today it opened at 11,951. A positive start of 91.35 points. So based on yesterday's structure and closing price, I had stated that Nifty is kind of like neutral to slightly negative. So based on the open price, it opened up, gapped up, and then I thought it will consolidate and then move. So today's high is 12,016.8 and low is 11,766, a big range of 250 points. So if you see, first half, a lot of buying activity happened and then the buyers got exhausted. And soon after that, sellers took control and a lot of stop loss were hit for the buyers and market dropped within very short period of time. Some profit book might have happened here, and also again fresh short might have been initiated. At the end, again, it was kind of a V-shaped recovery. Market went almost touched 11,950 and then it closed almost at 11,930. So yesterday I stated that if Nifty starts trading above 11,930, it will be good for buyers and they can push it on the higher side. But they could not do much good job. They got exhausted in the first half itself. And I also stated that anything below 11,880, it will be easy for sellers to push it onto the lower side. Initially, when the buyers got exhausted, a lot of stop loss were hit, and sellers also pushed it to the lower side. It was a very big fall and a drastic fall. Okay, from looking at this overall structure, buyers were also present as well as the sellers were also present. Sellers were present mainly in this region. Buyers in this particular region, I would say, and this particular region. Okay, so for tomorrow's trade, I think it's a kind of a neutral. I would say it is better to have a neutral view. And also tomorrow is an expiry day. So anything if it starts trading above today's high or maybe 12,000, it will be good for buyers to push the market to the higher side. And anything below around 11,850, you can see some weakness and sellers can come and push to the lower side. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 24,351 and today it opened at 24,484, a positive start of 132 points. So based on yesterday's structure and closing price, I had stated that I have slightly neutral to slight bullish view. So as soon as the market opened, the Bank Nifty went up and then it started consolidating. In the second half, same again, stop loss were hit and there is a big fall in Bank Nifty also. Some profit booking might have happened here and somewhere here, the longs, and then again profit booking might have happened. And then again, the Bank Nifty went up and hit almost 24,750. So in Bank Nifty, today's high is 24,880 and low is 24,102. I had stated yesterday that if Bank Nifty starts trading about 24,430, it will be good for buyers. Though it happened, it was first half buyers did a good job, but second half was controlled totally by the sellers, and maybe last 1 hour controlled again by the buyers. And also it stated that if Bank Nifty starts trading below 24,240, it will be easy for sellers to push it to the lower side. But since there was a major kind of a fall from almost 24,850, it was not easy for them to push below this level. They got exhausted here, and soon after that buyers came in and they pushed it to the higher side. So for tomorrow's trade, anything above 24,840, it will be good for buyers to push this particular market to the higher side. And for the sellers, anything below 24,460, they can try to push this particular Bank Nifty onto the lower side. So looking at the overall structure and closing, you can say Bank Nifty is having a neutral view. Okay, so let's move on to the second section, that is review and call shared on the Telegram channel. First one is Biocon. Biocon is a sell at 437. It was triggered here and went and hit 432. A minor profit, not a major one. And second stock which I shortlisted was ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank did a very good job. As soon as the market opened, it started going very high. I was trailing stop loss would have hit somewhere here like 425, 426. So exit here almost a decent gain of 8 points. The third stock which I had shortlisted was MCX. MCX was a very good. Soon it was a buy at 1802. Soon after it was triggered, it went up very sharply and almost hit 8,875. It's a decent, pretty gain, even if like based on our exit strategy, maybe our trailing stop loss would have been hit somewhere at 1,850. Okay, the summary of it is here. So it is roughly in ICICI Bank, it is 8 points, Biocon is 1 point, and in MCX around close to 45 points. So roughly it is 5.8% gain on the assumed capital. Okay, so let's move on to the third section, that is shortlisted stock for next trading session. The first one which I've shortlisted is Dabur. Dabur, if you see, like, from morning, it did not do well and it started going down. There's a lot of weakness in this particular stock, and you can expect if it takes out today's low tomorrow, it will be easy for sellers to push this particular stock on the lower side. If in case if there is any sentiment change in overnight, anything about this or this, there will be slight buyers will come, or short covering will happen. Anything about this level or this level, you can see some actual buying happening, or also a short covering can come in this particular stock at this region. So looking at the overall structure in the closing, we can say that sellers are controlling this particular stock. So second stock which I've shortlisted is Cipla. Cipla also, sellers were present and also buyers were also present. This is the buyers, this is buyers. So looking at the overall structure, it's a neutral close to slight bullishness. So anything about this level or maybe this level, you can see some buying activity happening, and this particular stock can push onto the higher side. And in case anything below this level, 760 or today's low, 760, it will become weak. And anything below today's low, sellers can push this particular stock to lower side, and it will be easy for them. So only 2 stocks I have shortlisted. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.